How to save someone's Snapchat story without them knowing. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can save someone else's Snapchat story without them knowing. Now, as you know, Snapchat notifies the user if you have viewed their story or if you save it as well. Now, in order to do it secretly without them knowing or without notifying the user that you have saved their story, what you can do is you can simply use a professional screenshot tool. Now, you can screen record. You can simply go ahead and download screen recorder if you don't have default one on your device. Now, I'll recommend you to use the default one because you can see I'm using default one for the screen recording on this particular video as well. Now, screenshot generally notifies. So what you can do is first you can screen record and then you can later take screenshot from the particular video that you took the screenshot from. Then if you don't have the default screen recorder, you can download various screen recorder from the Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and you can use them. Now the other way is you can use another device to take photos as well. You can use the screen mirroring feature. You can use Google Assistant, which doesn't work now, it used to before. These are the ways that you can save someone's Snapchat story without them knowing. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.